Too much. Too much. Half a drop should be okay. But now you can see. All right? That would be it. And so now I have 18 and then 5, 6, and 6, 5 pieces of data. This is a dilution. Dilution means higher concentration to lower concentration. We only deal with one solvent and one solute. But here we have 2 reactants. So never touch N1V1 equals N2V2 when you try to solve a reaction problem. All right, you need to write correct. Remember, nomenclature is going to be on your final, so you need to write a correct formula. Sodium, positive 1, because it's from group 1A. Sulfate ion, negative 2. So in order to have 2, balance out negative 2, you need a 2 positive. Can you write this? No, of course. So it's a 2. Once when you add 2 here, what would you do? All right, you need to add 2 right here. Once when you add 2 here, what would you do? Now you have to write 2 water. Now we're perfect. At the end, the pinkish color should totally disappear. However, if you have, say, 1 drop too much, this color stays until we die. So we do exactly the same thing. 1, 5, 3 times. Because it is the same titrate, sodium hydroxide. Therefore, we're going to simply add and reduce to 0, 2. Okay, that will be it. So now we're going to use 10 milliliter because at this time we're asked 10 milliliter. Okay, so beautiful. Now this is 30 once, simply dump it into our sink. Okay, very well. Now we're going to move some of I'm not so sure why even. I must have done something. All right, very well. Goodness. All right, finally, right there. Beautiful. Now, release, let the gravity do its own work. Beautiful. At the end, please do not force this down into your reactor, which is erlenmeyer flask. Okay? All right. Now, remember, add 2 or 3 drops, 1, 2, 3, of our phenolphthalein, and then start our titration. Okay? Same thing as 1 drop per second. And beautiful. That's it. Start. Beautiful. All right. When you see the pinkish color stays a little bit longer, and then your titration speed should be slow down now. All right. So and I think we need just oh no, need all right. This is a perfect end point, right? Now, past 12 before 13, and then so 4, and then look at it is 4. Oh.
After recording the final burette volume in trial 1, we will repeat the procedure using another 10 ml sample of sulfuric acid in the trial 2 of exploration 2. As this will be our second trial with the same sulfuric acid solution, there is no need to rinse the pipette.
Okay, so now you release, 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 release. Then move your meniscus gradually to the 10.00 marker. And then release. Okay, very well. Beautiful. Finally, it's all done. Second titration, we do exactly the same. Slowly but surely, and then two. All right, very well. 1, 2, 3. All right. Because it's somewhere 12, and then so we're going to do a little bit of fast deliver until 10. Okay, now we're going to do drop by drop, all right? Drop, 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 drop. Now I think we need a half drop. That's what it is. 12.40, exactly the same. Isn't that fabulous? When you're good, you're good. So now you have it, all right?